Okay. So I recently got this strawberry daifuku from one of my colleagues. Now I'm going to try it. It smells so good. Smells really good. So good, so soft. So there's strawberry in it, cream, and some red bean. This must be really, really expensive. And the strawberry is not that sour, but very refreshing. I really like how the daifuku, the texture is not very floury. The thickness is just right, and it's also not very sweet. It smells good too, even though it's quite a mess, but how do you say? It's easy on mouth. It's a really good dessert. Definitely give it a try, and I don't understand why people like strawberry daifuku. It's very nice. Compared to the daifuku imo that I've tried, this one is way softer. Daifuku imo, the outer layer, it's a little harder than this one and a little bit more stickier. I prefer this one more. So that's the end of the video. Bye.